Hey there, I know most of you guys are looking for cheap alternatives for making visors for your mask like the Soldier 76. And if you don't want to spend as much money like I do, I found this very good alternative called Clearcraft Plastic. It comes with single sheets like this, and it's very easy to use. You can cut it with a scissor, and just don't forget to take out the backing, of course. But before you do this one, if you want it tinted, you can just buy this window tint and just paste it with this one and cut it, and you'll get yourself a tinted visor for my Soldier 76, just like right here. It is sturdy enough, like good enough, as you can see here, and I've wore this to a couple cons now and still held up very good. And there you go, up close, and just glued inside right there. Hopefully this video helps, and I'll send some links down below to purchase them, and thank you.